Many entrepreneurs, they have this mindset. They need external funding to start. What are your thoughts on this?
Yes, so starting a business, actually, it is not always advisable to start out with you looking for funding when you haven't really invested. There's something we call sweat equity.
Yeah.
You haven't even invested your sweat equity into it. You understand? Because nobody's willing to part with their hard-earned money when they haven't seen your own level of commitment.
True.
Do you understand? So I always tell people, don't focus on resources. Focus on being resourceful.
Yeah.
Do you understand? There are some things around you that you can work with. Start with those things. Make efforts, invest your sweat. The popular example I always tell people is these viral kids on Instagram, the Ikorodu boys.
Oh, yes.
Yes. So Ikorodu boys started with stuff, scraps around them. They were creating magical videos that were going viral.
True.
With scraps. And they did it to the point where they got attention of Netflix. And they gave them funding, gave them money. So you have to invest. Focus on resourcefulness. Just things you have around you that you can use. Start with those things. Then you can now start, saying you are looking for funding. So that's my thoughts.
Thank you.